practicing the scale, be sure to measure 4 notes per entire bow. So in other words, it should take you exactly the entire whole bow to play 4 notes. So the scale is kind of separated into groups of 4, and that is basically how it should be. So be sure to use lots of bow. Also, be sure to intonate as carefully as possible and maybe start off slower and then try to make your way to a more moderately fast tempo as possible. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I invite you to visit my website where there's more information about the lessons I teach online. Thank you for watching.